My jaw dropped. One daring kitten actually opened the refrigerator. It went in headfirst. I must be stealing delicious food. Seriously, this kitten is definitely a repeat offender. I'm lying on the ground leisurely. Suddenly the little master ran over. His little hand was on my head. I couldn't move and could only meow in protest. He pushed something hard into my mouth. The strange smell made me wrinkle my nose. I didn't want to eat it, but the little master kept stuffing it into my mouth. Some cats are already robbing their little owners of food. Some cats climbed onto the truck and saw a truck full of small fish. I was so happy that I immediately took a fish and left. Some cats hide behind the monitor. Suddenly he stretched out his paw and snatched a piece of pizza in front of the keyboard. Come on, this bad water tastes really good. The kitten kept licking her tongue and drank a lot. Are these male and female thieves robbing the kitchen? The kitten on the table holds a bag of food. Throw it to the ground. The kitten on the ground holds the food skillfully. This is a proper and experienced operation. It seems this is not the first time we have collaborated. Oops, this cat is stealing food. If you were discovered, run away quickly. The other cat on the ground looked at the visitor with a confused expression. Meow meow, it's not me who steals things. Don't catch me. Lying on a park chair, the sun is my quilt. I took a lazy nap and had sweet dreams. Stretch out occasionally. Continue to soak up the sunshine, and the ears will be quiet.